This is U-bolt, and at first we need to make a U-bolt into concrete foundation, like this, and just we need here need maybe 20 millimeters upon ground. And then by drawing we need to know the distance here from the post and rear post, this distance. Make sure all distance by drawing. And then install front post and by this one. By this one. Yes, yeah. Like this. And also here. Rear post install by like this. And then we install main beam like this one, and we use main beam install upon this hinge, and let's see this. We can see here. Bolt will be fixed like this type, here and here. You can see here, yeah. And then main beam will be fixed, and then we install mounting rear. Mounting rear will be fixed by bolt and square nut. Here. Square nut, and then fix the solar panel will be okay.